To graph the function 2x minus 3 divided by 5x plus 10, you can enter this into the calculator, but you have to let the calculator know what's up in the numerator, which in this case is the 2x minus 3. And to do that, you put parentheses, and you only need one parenthesis there, so let me delete out that one. Minus 3. Close the parentheses so that knows that that is the numerator, divided by, and then type in 5x plus 10, again in parentheses, and then you can go ahead and graph it. Now, I'm on a different screen here. You can do a zoom 6, and that puts it on a standard screen. Now mine is showing what appears to be the vertical asymptote. It's actually not the vertical asymptote, it's just my calculator's trying to connect a dot way up here with a dot way down there, and it's showing up as almost like the vertical asymptote. Now the vertical asymptote here, if you set the denominator equal to 0, and then solve for x, you'll see that x equals -2 is the vertical asymptote, and that's what it's kind of showing here. And then you can see the function doing this and that, and you can see that there's some sort of a horizontal asymptote right along here. Since the degree of the numerator is equal to the degree of the denominator, this one has a horizontal asymptote at, and then we look at the coefficients. So the coefficients here are y equals, and then the coefficient of the numerator is 2, coefficient of the denominator is 5, and this would be a horizontal asymptote.